You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words that look similar. They have a different meaning and they do have a different pronunciation. If you want to learn more vocabulary from English in English, stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, and I'll link to a few more videos for you at the end of this one. The top word here is confirm. Confirm. We have an sound here. It is a schwa sound. The stress goes on the second syllable. Of course, the meaning is to establish the truth, to say that something is correct, to confirm. Oh, sorry about that. Confirm. Now the bottom word is conform. Conform. So you have an O sound. Conform. So this is respecting the norm. Conform. So the top word is confirm. Confirm. Bottom word conform. Confirm. Top word conform. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.